Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to create and send a WhatsApp broadcast campaign using ihakimi Lite. This is a dashboard screen. From the left side menu, navigate to CRM and click on Bulk Campaign. Once you are on the Bulk Campaign page, click on Create New Campaign located in the top right corner. Next, select WhatsApp campaign and then click on Create Messaging Campaign. Now enter a name for your broadcast campaign. This will help you identify the campaign later. You will then have two options for sending your broadcast. You can either send the broadcast immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Select the option that best suits your requirement and click Next. In the next step, choose the audience for your campaign. You can select all contacts or apply filters to target a specific group of contacts based on your requirements. Once you have selected your audience, click Next. Now select the WhatsApp channel that you want to use for sending the broadcast. After selecting the channel, choose either a pre-approved WhatsApp template or a bot flow that you would like to use for the campaign. Review your settings and click Next. Then click Save Campaign. Once the campaign has been saved, you will be redirected to the campaign list where all your saved campaigns are displayed. To start the broadcast, locate your campaign in the list and click on the airplane icon, which is the second action icon available for the campaign. After clicking the airplane icon, confirm and start the broadcast. Once the broadcast has been sent, you can monitor its performance directly from the campaign dashboard. The overview section allows you to track important metrics such as the number of messages sent, delivered, read, and received. This helps you analyze the performance of your campaign and understand the audience engagement.